Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful X-Max bottle recycle ideas, bottle recycle craft, and it is a art. So this is the season and grab your coffee and take my suggestion. I want to try beautiful advices for you. So Jute Art Magic is stunning bottle decoration ideas, DIY bottle craft and recycling. Here it is. So I want to give you the best ideas and the best advice, and you can get very best decoration ideas. So in this video we show you a beautiful and amazing collection, and if you want to get more designs and more ideas like this, so we try to bring very amazing ideas. So these mason jars everybody has home, so don't throw away, use it and recycle it, because one trash bottle is save many pollutions. So one recycling is make 400 watts I think electricity. So it is necessary for our planet, and it is good to our health, our planet, and upcoming next generation. So it is good, it is we need that. So hope you enjoy these all designs, and this season is not only for gathering and happiness, and it is time to grow business. So creative friend, we are crafting something magical. X makes trees with bottles, and these two materials might sound completely different, but you can decorate it. You can make something useful. You can make some centerpiece, and add customer initial. That means you make your brand, and make something extraordinary piece, so that market it, and your product is sustainable and eco-friendly decor. So sell pairs and with cardboard and fleece. So personalization, add customer initial or colors to match their holiday themes. Social media per post quickly videos of making the jars, bottles, and recycled bottles, your stories. These process clips attract viewers. So since bottles and pine cone show your materials, this is budget friendly. You can make good profit margins without overpricing. So there you have it, two simple but magical styles of DIY X-Max recycle bottles. Soft, beautiful, and lighting adds some fairy lights and full of handmade charm. Whether you are decorating your home, glittering to friends, or building a holiday craft, these trees will bring warmth and creativity to the season. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive craft ideas. And remember, the best X-Max decorations are not bought, they are handmade with love. And now we are trying to bringing for our viewers the best ideas, the best videos, because people wants to buy handmade things. They wants to buy a story, not a simple thing, not a all time running common things. They wants to buy different and beautiful. And when guests came and say who made this, and you can absolutely, if you made this, so you can say this, I made it, because of this is a beautiful and amazing classy joy. these amazing classy joy and beautiful designs. You can take some simple things, painting color if you want to paint some dewdrop, add burlap fabric, add some colors. These designs are good for everyone, and it is a perfect match for this upcoming festival holiday themes. So this matches for your personal Xmas themes, and you can grab it, you can make it, and beautiful designs are here. So don't forget to subscribe, don't go anywhere, and we are trying to bring very best and beautiful designs. Add some ornaments, add some classy things, leaves, cherries, whatever you have, simple ornaments, plastic ornaments, shiny ornaments, whatever you have, you can try it, you can make some different. Wake up your artistic mind, wake, keep crafting, keep painting, keep doing something different. It is very mindful and healthy activity for you. So